Hey guys, how's it going today? Well, for me today is very special. I just came back from the Pearl offices, the Pearl Canada offices, and I just met up with a very classy guy, Peter Moranzak. Thanks, Peter, for everything, for showing me around and meeting everybody there. And also met up with Rula. Hi, Rula, thanks again. It was such a good time. And I went to get my brand new Masters Maple Reserve drum kit. So here it is. I didn't cheat, oops, except here. Nobody's seen that. And so it's my brand new set. I'm a new Pearl endorsee now, so super happy and stoked about it. This is unbelievable. So we're gonna do this together. We're gonna open this up. Let's go for it. Packaging, very sturdy. So here it is. You know, little pillow to go into the bass drum. Muffled, properly muffled. And what do we have here? Oh my God! Yes, beautiful bass drum. It's 22 by 18. The color is satin charred oak. Oh, it's just beyond belief. So beautiful. This color is incredible. Look at this. Incredible. It's superb Remo drum heads. It's the USA drum heads. So here is the kick. Beautiful. Now, let's check out box number 2. Box number 2 we have a box containing boxes, right? There we go. And this is, take a look. Oh yeah, so nice. Our 10 by 7 tom-tom. There we go. It's beautiful. Look at this. Masters Maple Reserve. Beautiful reinforcement rings inside. And the Optimount suspension system. Here we go. Okay. Box 2. 3. Sorry. Whatever. We have the floor tom here. Very well packaged. 16 by 16 floor tom. Beautiful color. There we go. Reinforcement rings. Another box. I love this. We have here the 12 by 8 tom tom. Beautiful piece. 12 by 8. Re-rings. Nice hoops. Here we go. Pearl fat tone hoops. And last but not least, we have beautiful snare. There we go. This is heaven. There we go. So, thanks for watching. You're gonna see me around for a long time, for many years to come. So here it is, my beautiful master maple reserve, and I'll be doing a video pretty soon to show you how it sounds. See you soon, guys.